and say hi to Mommy, okay? Hey, look, there's Mommy. Say hi to Mommy. Hi, Mommy. I did. Hold on. Okay, here we go. He's stretching. Hi, Mom. Hi, Mommy. Oh, man, I can't do it. That's not fun now. Hold on. He's hungry, I guess, because he was going like this. He was letting me mess with his whole lip. Oh, hi. I just want to say I love you. Hi, Mommy. Hi. Hi. I love you. No, he's not letting me do it. That is so funny. Making me move my lip around when I don't even want to. Hi, Mom. I love you. You love me. We're a happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from you. Won't you say you love me too? Hi, guys. Hi, Mom. I love you. Mom, can I have a kiss, please? Thanks for taking good care of me all day. You baby me and powder my butt and feed me. Yummy, yummy, yummy.